Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to make money with the Doba Dropshipping Referral Program. And we're going to jump right into it. This is super powerful because when you make referrals with Doba, you're going to make a ton of money. And I'll show you exactly how to do this. And Doba is by far the #1 dropshipping platform for Shopify. Nobody even comes close. They have a great reputation. I'll show you the website. They have over 3 billion dropshippers making over $6 billion in dropshipping sales. And you can get in on that by making up to 30% commission when you refer sellers to Doba. And I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up and get access to this opportunity, how to get your referral and affiliate links, and how to track everything. Inside of the Doba referral program, you have all the features that you need to become a top money-making referrer. You get a promo kit. I'll give you all the kind of details in terms of what to sell and why people use Doba. You get a performance dashboard so you can see how everything works, right? You can see the stats of your referral program, how much money you made, who you referred, what they're selling, all that great stuff. You'll be able to figure that out in your program dashboard. You get reliable payouts as well. This is super important. Always having payouts on time. If you get commission, you deserve to get that paid out. You never have to worry with Doba Dropshipping. And last but not least, 90-day tracking window. Without getting too technical, this means that if you have someone kind of get interested and click over into Doba with your link, and then they sign up within the next 90 days, you get credit for them. So it's a really powerful thing, especially maybe people don't sign up immediately. They get interrupted. They need to think about it or whatever. You have a 90-day tracking window to make sure that you get credit for generating that customer in the first place. And Doba gives you all of these tools so you could immediately jump in and start making money with their referral program. And if you haven't seen my videos on Doba, I highly recommend you check out my YouTube channel. I've got tons and tons of content all about Doba Dropshipping. I'm going to talk about the referral program here, and we'll go over the shoulder. But you see Doba.com. By far the #1 option when it comes to drop shipping. And if you want to build your dream drop shipping business on Shopify, you absolutely need to use Doba. They have 90% of their products coming from the US, so you're always going to get that fast, reliable shipping. It's going to build great long-term customers. You have one-click listing and real-time inventory, super easy to add products into your store. You have AI selection tools like the AI Picker and the AI Hub, allowing you to use Doba's powerful AI to find amazing products. And I need to give a shout out to their 24/7 dedicated support. They're always available, always making sure that dropshippers like you and me are treated best. So you can get started with this 14-day trial. All you need to do is click the Get Started button. Again, you see the link directly below this video. And make sure you check out my YouTube for all of those step-by-step tutorials on how to build a massive Doba dropshipping store. Now I'm going to go inside of my account so I can show you the referral program. So I'm inside of my account. We come up over here under resources, and we can go to the referral program. And this is all about promoting and recommending Doba Dropshipping. And again, they're the #1 most trustworthy dropshipping platform for Shopify. And you see there's over 5,000 active referrers that are promoting Doba. They've made over $30 million in commissions. $30 million in commissions. Why does this program work so well? Well, it's because that Doba Dropshipping has everything that you need to absolutely crush it when it comes to dropshipping. So recommending Doba and referring your friends and family and coworkers to Doba, it just makes sense because you're referring them to the most trusted dropshipping platform out there. And you get to see everything inside of your dashboard. You're going to get a promo kit. It includes things like ad copy and email copy, videos to use, banners and graphics, tutorials, and so much more, so you can immediately jump in and make money. You'll be able to track everything in your performance dashboard, track referrals, track commissions, keep up with your tier progress in real time. With a clean and easy-to-use dashboard, you get instant access to that as you sign up. Reliable payouts, you can get paid monthly. You could do PayPal, you could do Payoneer, fast, secure, reliable. You don't have to worry about it. And I think really one of the best parts, that 90-day tracking window. You don't see this with a lot of other programs. 90-day tracking window, it's going to track conversions for 90 days. So You could even earn commission if they subscribe later on. And there are different tiers of commissions based on how many valid paid subscribers you get. So if you have over 151 paid subscribers under your affiliate, you're going to get 30% on each referral's first 3 months of subscription payments. Over here, you're starting at 15, you climb up to 20, and then you climb up to 30. Incredibly powerful, and it really kind of pays for you to really take this seriously, because 30% is significant when it comes to commission. Simple 3-step process to start. All you need to do, again, you see this link below the video, doba.com/referral-program. Sign up for the referral program. It's totally free. Literally get your sign-up link within a second. And that link is going to be your unique referral link. Step 2, you get your unique link. This is what tracks everything to you. Right? So using your link, when people click on your link, if they sign up, you'll be rewarded. That's step 3, earn commission. Every single time a paid subscription goes through your link, you could earn up to 30% of it. They get that top tier, super trustworthy dropshipping platform in Doba, and you get monthly payouts because you referred the customer. And there are tons and tons of success stories about people making significant amounts of money, 251 signups over their first 12 months. I mean, significant amount of revenue. You see all the FAQs, totally free to join over here, and you get that 90-day tracking window, tracking all of your performance directly inside of your referral dashboard. And again, climb that tier very quickly and get those 30% of each referral's 3 months. And a really powerful thing is to take your promo kit materials, your copy, your videos, your banner, and to post it on all of your socials and to email it to all of your colleagues on day 1. You'll be able to track all of your clicks and your results directly inside the dashboard, and everything's done for you. You could literally just copy and paste and use the same videos and images that you get in the promo kit. All you need to do is just use your tracking link. Remember, you're going to get your own unique referral link as soon as you sign up for free. So you'll be able to use all the promo kit materials and your own link and start promoting this to make some monthly revenue commissions. So it's highly recommended. It's part of the Doba ecosystem here, and I highly recommend Doba just in general. If you want to do great drop shipping, you absolutely need to use Doba. And if you have any questions about the referral program, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below this video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them personally. But otherwise, I hope you jump right into the Doba referral program. Make sure that you use that really powerful promo kit. Make sure that you keep track of your unique referral link. This is what's going to be needed to track your success. And otherwise, I hope this helps you make a ton of money. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.